Hi guys, I'm Gia. Welcome to my class. Yesterday we learned 越来越 plus adjective or mental verb. Have you already got it? If you not, you can review my previous video, okay? Today we will learn something new, a little similar with 越来越. In our daily life, sometimes we need to express that the degree of change varies with the situation, right? For example, in this picture, we can see that the tree grows taller day by day. Okay, in Chinese, we can say 树越长越高. In this sentence, 长 to grow is a verb, right? 高 tall is an adjective, right? So we can conclude this structure is 越 plus a verb plus 越 plus an adjective to express changes in degree varies with the situation, okay? Let's see another example. In this image, there are many questions coming out in the guy's mind. Use 越 plus verb plus 越 plus adjective. We can say 问题越想越多，越想越复杂。想 to think is a mental verb, okay? Mental verb 多 and 复杂 are adjectives. Let's continue. There is a room only with basic furniture. If in English we say, my life is getting simpler, and simpler is better. How to say the sentence with 越 v 越 adjective structure? We can say 我的生活越过越简单，越简单越好。过 here means to live a life. In Chinese, for greeting during friends, sometimes we say 你过得怎么样 for asking how about your life. 简单 and 好 are adjectives, so we find that besides 越 v 越 adjective, we also can use 越 adjective, 越 adjective, okay? Continue with the case if we say the less thing in the house, the more comfortable. Using 越 adjective, 越 adjective, we can say 家里东西越少越舒服。少 and 舒服 are adjectives. 少 is an ordinary adjective, while 舒服 is a mental adjective, okay? Now let's learn a little more. Imagine that the Christmas is approaching. One day you talk to your bro on the phone and he tells you that he will be home soon and you are in China, and the more he talks about Christmas agreements, the more you miss home. How to express this feeling in Chinese? We also can use another structure, okay? We can say 兄弟越说我越想家。Have you found that there are two subjects in the sentence? Bro, 兄弟 is subject 1. 我 is subject 2. 说 and 想 are verbs. 想 is a mental verb, okay? Now we can conclude the structure is subject 1. 越 verb. Subject 2. 越 mental verb. Please pay attention that the second subject need to put before 越, okay? And the second verb usually is a mental verb like 喜欢, 想, 爱, etc. Okay? Okay, let's see a little more, okay? The structure subject 1 越 plus adjective, subject 2 越 plus mental verb. For example, 女孩越高冷，我越喜欢。 巧克力越甜，我越不爱吃。Another structure, subject 1, 越 adjective, subject 2, 越 adjective. For example, 天气越热，空调生意越好。越热，越热。Pay attention to the pronunciation, okay? 越热。东西越便宜，买的人越多。Take your time to think about the above examples, okay? Because they are very useful for your daily Chinese, okay? Now let's make a summary. Today we have learned the structures. First one, sub, 越 verb, 越 adjective or mental verb. Mental verbs like 喜欢、不喜欢、爱、不爱。The second, subject 越 adjective 越 adjective. Well, the first one, the second one, these two structures are with only one subject, okay? We also learn the case with two subjects, okay? The third one, subject 1, 越 verb or adjective, subject 2, 越 mental verb or adjective. When using these three structures, we need to know that, firstly, they are used to express some degree of change varies with the situation, okay? We also need to know adverbs of degree like 很、非常 cannot use before the adjective and mental verb. 东西越便宜，买的人越很多。东西越非常便宜，买的人越多。These two sentences are unacceptable, okay? At last, the second verb usually is a mental verb, like 喜欢、想、爱, etc. Hi guys, how do you feel it now? You can watch this video repeatedly to deepen your understanding. For beginners, I always suggestible to master these practical sentence structures and then make your own sentences. By this way, you can speak understandable Chinese, okay? Please write your sentences in the comments. Any questions, just feel free to leave a comment, okay? Thanks so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye. 再见。